Alright guys, so our last video will stop for this part of the design and we'll do these features. And turn out the next part now, we go start with these features for this place. So more jump out the code and we'll see how to tackle that part now. So just after this features div here now, so I'll come down, I'll create new div, I'll call them theme. So I'll give them class theme. Then inside this theme now, so we'll create h2. So this h2, we'll go add span dot wrap. So this wrap now they put on because I go do animations. You get. So I go add plus, then I go use another span again. I'll type got. Then after again I'll put another plus for the ending here. You see them. So after that one, I'll come down after the h2. I go type h1, then I'll go use another span again. I'll say miracles. Then after the h1, we'll put paragraph tag. Then I'll say I like it like that. Then we'll come down, we'll create another class, we'll call them bar. So this bar will not put anything. At the bar now be this thing for button here where you see, so you get. So most style now for CSS. So the first whole style now will come CSS here now. I'll say wrapper landing, then section. So this section we'll put dot content theme. So what we'll do, we'll give the width 40%. Then margin right. We'll set margin right to 150 pixel. Margin right to 150 pixel because we'll still give small space between this side and this side. But you see the import and share by the time we work on this side. So I'll come down, then I'll set position to be relative. Position relative, then we'll go set display to flex. The flex direction will be column. Then we justify content to center and align the items to the center. So if I come here, refresh, see how everything to the center here. You see. If I go back, maybe I'll just comment so that you see what we actually get before. See how see here. So I won't put out the center here. You see just like we'll get for our design. Then we'll go start to the style they go up now. So I'll come here just after this theme. I will target the h2 inside the theme. Then I'll transform the text. I'll give them uppercase. And the color will be #EE. This 5454. Then font size will be 1.5 M. Why I got align surf to flex start, and I'll set overflow hidden. So this flex start now, what you go do now, so it push this one and come off for the middle now, I go push and come the start in this side. You get. they push and come starting just like the way you see. And by the time we do tag do all these ones, like you can see the effect. So without this one now, I'm gonna duplicate this thing. After the H2 now, we'll target the wrap. I'll delete all these things inside here. Then I'll just set position relative. So this one what they set, so this thing, now mainly because of the animation what we would do when we enter GSAP. So by the time we enter GSAP now, you can see the importance of this position what they give for here now. So never fear. So the next thing, we'll target the span. So we'll target the span now. We'll say make the font size be 2 EM. Then font width will be 400. We'll set margin to 0, top and bottom, while left and right will be 10 pixels. Then our color will be white. Set position to relative, then most it will get fresh. Okay. So we need to push this in small. So I'll come here. I'll just say top to be like 5 pixels. We'll see. Refresh. Okay. So you see I say that they centralize. Okay. Show this here. It does centralize. So this one I'll still like push and go up small because it will come down. You get. So that I'll do. I'll come this seam here. I'll just set bottom to like 140 pixel. Bottom to 140 pixel. If I go back, okay, that push. So more target the miracles now. Now go ahead to do now. So I'll target H1 here. Then text transform. I'll just copy some of all these things sharp or no need of a man type. But this copy the cause errors at times. So not today lazy to type the thing over. You get programmer now you say you want to be. So you're ready to the type. So text transform capitalize. Font size will be 14M because one may big. Then the font width. This for this M and this pixels, they very easy to understand their difference, but just a bit confusing if you be beginner. You get like 1M now be like 14 pixel. Right? No, 1M now like 16 pixel. You get so 1M now they equals to 16 pixel. Why 2M now will probably like 32 pixel. So imagine they put 14M now. So I don't make the number of the pixel bigger. So I really use 14M. But that'll be just the explanation to show you the geometry M and pixel more data around. But we'll not talk on Asha. Maybe another video just create something special about M, REMs, pixels, percentages, and how to like use them and when not to use them. You get. But it's more just the move shot. So set one to overflow it in, then I'll duplicate this one. We'll target the span. H1 span. That means this span here. Okay. I'm supposed to target this one. Dot wrap. Okay. Instead of saying span, target the wrap. So we'll just put position relative based on animations. Then the next thing we could do, we could target the paragraph tag. Before target, I'm going to see our progress. I'll refresh and you see It show got miracles. You see am? It all nearer. So I'll target the paragraph tag now. That means we want to do this. I like it like that now. We want to decide now. So I'll target them and I'll say text transform to capitalize. So that all of them will be capital letter. Then font style will be italic. And font size so 2.6 EM. We'll set font width 200. Background color. We'll get the background color red first. Fundamentally agree with that. Then display flex. So refresh. You see them. So we need to push and come the end. They will take this on flex starts now. We'll give this on flex end now so that I could come the end in here. So I'll come down, I'll say flex. Oh, sorry, align self. Will be flex end. Then just overflow hidden. Okay. If we refresh now, you see them. There we in the air. So we'll give that gradient color. What would you see here? So we'll give the gradient color. So we will do we go remove this red. We just say linear gradients. We'll set 45 degree RGBA 0,000.5. Then RGBA, that is the second color, will be white 255, 255, 255, then 0.5. So more go back, we'll see. Okay. What would you do wrongly here? Background color, linear gradient. We'll set padding. We'll say 2 pixel top and bottom, and 20 pixel left and right. Then make sure this value is correct. DG. Okay. Background, not background color. So I'll go back, I'll refresh, and we don't get this our effect here. You see? Exactly the way it's supposed to be. So you see something, this one push come here. What do we do? I inspect this element from bottom like this. So if we select target this one now, that is this H2. If we set position to relative, then we'll just push them from the right small, maybe like 10 pixel. Just push and go 20 pixels. So you see them. So you don't align properly here. So what I'll do, I'll go add them join the H2. Where am I again? Maybe this now. So we don't get this one. So we'll add this bottom bar for here now. We'll already write the HTML for now. So we'll just put the style in sharp. So I'll target the bar. I'll copy say dot bar, then we'll set the width to 500 pixel. We go set height to 5 pixel. Then background color will be ash 50 50 50. That is gray. Then border radius go be 5 pixel. While our position go be absolute, and bottom to like -10 pixel. So if I refresh, we'll see. All right, we'll not get this guy here. So what will we do now? Let's see this design. It's supposed to shift come in the middle. So right now, they shifted properly. We'll do the color first, yeah. So I'll say dot bar, then after we want to do that half color for inside. So I just say content now. Content to this empty single quotes. Then we'll set position to absolute. Our width will be 50%. So 50% of the parent and go be 250 pixel. While the height will be like 100%. And top 0, left 0, background color. So if we go back and refresh, you see it all half like this. You see so if we push and come the middle here small, so I inspect this element. So since he actually did the middle of this particular div where they wrap on. So if we bring a come outside it, I'll just leave a man not to stress myself for this one now. Maybe that won't be assignment, do it yourself. But if you want really do it, if you want to stay tweak and small share, what if you do? If you see, if we put left to like 10 pixel, we'll call the push arm again. Very high number. So mostly like 10 EM. You see and actually push and come the middle way. You get. So there's not one way to do them. There are so many ways you can do this stuff. But I'm not keep myself for that one now. So yeah, I shall leave it all long. We don't do this God miracle. So I like it like that, then this is our bar. And we'll end the video here. Then in the next video, we'll go arrange this half number here, this small level for here, or this ones and this one. See the gets. So anyhow, I'll see you for the next video now. See your guy Big Time from Double South. Like the video, subscribe, and you know what to do now. Spread the love. See you later.